Hi everybody, Jiggy Time Gal, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own alcohol inks. Not shimmer sprays, but alcohol inks in these tiny little 2-ounce bottles. That way you have them on hand when you need to spray a color for that extra added touch to your project. I already made up 4 before when I was doing the doily centerpiece, and I made purple, teal, pink, and blue. I already made them up, so I've got 4 ready to go in these little bottles that I had from before. But I ordered off of Amazon. I will link the link below. I ordered these 8 bottles. I think they were like $8 or something like that. $6-8, something like that. I can't remember offhand. And they came with 3 extra sprayers, 24 labels, and 2 little funnels. Let me see if I can get the funnels up and show you. 2 little funnels. So it was a pretty good deal, I thought. So I'll show you how I do it. I take my epoxy resin colorant that I got. I think I got this for like $10-12, something like that, $15 off of, I think I got it off of eBay, I think. eBay or Wish, I think. And I just use these and alcohol. I just get the 70% alcohol from the drugstore, or Walmart. I fill up the little 2-ounce bottles all the way almost to the top, and I squirt in a whole bunch of this colorant until I get the desired deepness of color that I want, and shake it up, and that's it. That's all there is to it, people. And I don't put shimmer mist in this. I don't put any of the shimmer pearlization in it. I just leave the straight alcohol and the colorant, and that's all there is to it. So we're going to put you down here on the desktop, and I'll do a few bottles up, and we'll put it on a time lapse because there's really nothing to it, and you'll see, and then we'll pull out a piece of paper and we'll spray some mist, and you can see the finished result. So here we go. Okay, this one is magenta. Whoop. There we go. There we go. Alcohol mist all made up, ready to go whenever you need a splash of color on that certain project. Thank you very much for watching. Have a pleasant day. Catch you on the flip side. Hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to the channel? Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing today. leave me ideas that can help boost my channel ratings or ideas for future content on the channel. Click the notification bell so you know when I have new videos out or when I go live. Share my videos on social media outlets such as Facebook or Instagram, so that way my videos can reach more people and I can grow my audience. Click the like button below. That really helps my channel to help reach more people on YouTube. Supporting me is really great and it helps me grow my channel. I'm not a very big channel at this time, and it's really important to me that I get support from fellow YouTubers. I really appreciate you all. I really appreciate that you take time out of your busy day to view my videos and to spend time with me on a daily basis. I try to put videos out on a daily basis so you have something to watch and something to entertain yourselves with. I try really hard to make my channel a positive place for people to come and have fun and be entertained. So I try really hard to make things enjoyable for people. So if you support me, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so very much for your time. Have a great day, and we'll catch you on the flip side.